Hello everyone and welcome to my channel.
We'll discuss about some of the cell junctions, or you can say membrane junctions. So cell junctions are basically the connection between the neighboring cells, or the contact between the cell and the extracellular matrix. There are three types of cell junctions. One is occluding, second one is communicating, and third one is anchoring. Now, occluding cell junction. Occluding cell junctions are those which prevent intercellular exchange of various substances like ions and other molecules, um, macromolecules, etc. So, for one such example is tight junction, which is also known as zonular occludence. So, tight junctions are those in which there is occlusion or prevention of the passage of macromolecules. So this is the structure of tight junction. From the structure we can see that both the cell has two halves, and these two halves are fused by ridges. And the tight junction is formed by mainly two types of proteins. One is called the tight junction membrane protein or integral membrane proteins, such as occludin, claudin, and junctional adhesion molecules or GEMs. And another one is scaffold proteins such as singulin, simplakin, and Z0123. Now these two kinds of proteins are responsible for the formation of the tight junction. So there are certain functions served by the tight junctions. These are strength and stability. The tight junction formed between the two cells is very strong in nature, and which gives the particular tissue strength and stability. Selective permeability. So the tight junction is actually selectively permeable for some molecules, not for all molecules, and in those cases water ion can travel from this tight junction, but in most of the cases the tight junction works as an occluding junction, and nothing can pass between the tight junction. Now, fencing function. Tight junctions work as fence, and they inhibit the lateral movements of protein and lipid molecules in the cell membrane, and thereby they act as a fence. Maintenance of cell polarity. They also maintain the cell polarity by blocking the proteins in the apical membrane and maintains the polarity of the cell. Now, blood-brain barrier. Tight junction is formed between the brain and the blood capillaries, and this way it prevents the entry of various substances from blood capillaries to the brain, and only allow the movement of steroids and drugs, steroids which are really useful, and drugs. So there are certain diseases associated with the mutation of the genes encoding tight junction proteins. These are deafness, which is hereditary in nature, ichthyosis, which is also known as scaly skin, synovial sarcoma or soft tissue cancer, hypomagnesemia or lower magnesium level, sclerosing cholangitis, which is an obstruction of the bile duct. So these are all about the occluding junction, and tight junction is one example of that. and the functions performed by tight junctions are also affected by some viruses and bacteria. So here I am ending my discussion. I'll discuss about other two junctions in other videos. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.